The landlord is selling a long-term rental property in the Heath Candelite Subdivision. No Homeowners Association and new windows were installed. 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage in Amy Park Heath Schools and close to Terry Park and Lake Ray Hubbard. Public boat dock and park are a few streets away. This one story is on a 0.23-acre lot. There is plenty of room for you to park a boat. This property is being sold as is, but the vinyl flooring is new, and new paint and backsplash. The foundation work was just completed also. We have 3 homes: 110 Gregory, MLS number 20,465,325, 120 Darrell, MLS number 20,600,886, and 116 Darrell to be sold as a package deal or will sell individually. Part of an estate. Sold as is. Prefer cash offer.